Welcome to a little bit of more behind the scenes real quick, but I wanted to give a shout out to Lori and Alan. Thank you guys for this recommendation on that. We're actually going to be looking into that for the earrings to get those stainless steel stuff going, and it's greatly appreciated. You guys, like I said, when y'all interact with me and let me know whether I'm right or wrong or anything like that, it's hugely supportive. I have a very big drive right now. It probably could be due to this coffee, but I have a very clear-minded head on what I want to target today and kind of how I'm going to proceed with that. But first, we're going to get the crib done today, which will be on the family vlog channel, which I highly recommend y'all check out. Market day. We're already packed up in the car. We have a lot less stuff this time because the neighbor actually took his Hot Wheels back. And we actually found someone, or he actually found someone that was a buyer that is very interested in it to give him a good amount of money for the bulk amount of stuff. So that's very, very awesome. We are actually currently in San Antonio. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It is all market related stuff, and let's see how today goes, because everything from today's video is going to be what helps us to get that extra income to be able to do this Seaworld trip. So let's find out how well we did.
All right, we are officially all set up. Got everything going. Enjoy this look at our table. All right, so we're here at Fieldhouse. It is currently 2:41. And we haven't sold anything yet. We sold to our mother-in-law, which doesn't count. That paid off our kids to be able to play for the daily pass for here, which we're super grateful for. She's actually here right now with us. And yeah, it's super duper slow. Hoping the afternoon picks up because we had some things that I had to do for work this morning. I actually had to go to a dealership to actually shoot some content because it rained out yesterday, so I wasn't able to actually do what I needed to do yesterday. But we got it done, we did it, and then also, and we're in a different spot. Normally when we're in this spot over here, the foot traffic is just not there. It literally is best if we go over in that direction. We have had a couple of people come and look by and to see what we had. There was some real big interest in the Spider-Man and the Iron Man. So Iron Man and Spider-Man. She wanted both. She took one of our cards. So we do appreciate when people take our business cards, and we're hoping for the best. All right. So it's currently 3:24. We just got our first sale of the day. We sold 3 keychains. It's the buy 2 get 1 free option. Really excited. He took some videos and pictures of the mega figs that he's sending to his cousin to see if they may be interested in either the Spider-Man or the Iron Man. So we'll see if it happens. He took one of our business cards. That's what you got to do. Keep that positivity. Make sure you get your name out there and continue to keep on going no matter what. So the gentleman did come back and buy the Spider-Man. So the Spider-Man mega fig is gone. By the way, if you guys want to check out the mega figs and you want to help support the designer, I will leave his link in the description box below, again, for you guys to be able to purchase them yourselves, to be able to get them printed. And also, let's get into this real quick. Normally, sorry about that, we had possible customers come by and we didn't want to get them filmed at that moment when we're talking about how unfortunately slow it is right now. If you want to take a look, Amanda's going to take a kind of browse around to what normally is usually packed, and it's definitely not packed today. All right, y'all, it's official. It's 5 o'clock. We've been here since 1 o'clock, 4 hours. We've only made 1 sale. Technically 2, because one was like I said, my mother-in-law, and that was to buy the kids' day pass, including their cousin's day pass. So we officially had 1 sale today. It's better than nothing because it is going to help us get what we need, a little bit of extra things for Seaworld this week, so we're looking forward to that. But this video is going to be a short one, and let's get the packing process going.
as we get closer to wrapping out this Saturday's vlog, I am just so appreciative and so thankful for all you guys who have given me stories and giving me a little bit of insight into your life with 3D printing and what you guys are currently going through right now, because I really do appreciate it. And I do take the time to sit here and comment back to you guys. It's usually me who comments back to every single one of y'all. I love doing it. I don't ever plan on stopping. And let's continue to finish out these comments and see what you guys are about.